southern Early County in southwestern Georgia, Seminole County in southwestern Georgia, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southwest of Donaldsonville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source. Intent, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cold Creek, Donaldsonville, Bainbridge, Chattanooga, Grand Ridge, Iron Bridge,
Oh my god.
Delwood, Riverton, and time, or 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the Panhandle of Florida in southwestern Georgia. A tornado watch remains on the tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: Jackson, Florida, and the following counties in Georgia: Decatur and Seminole. You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH.